Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Wynn Las Vegas. 2 complimentary nights at the resort tower, thanks to a status match with Ocean Casino in Atlantic City. Late arrival. It is dark, flying in from Pennsylvania to Vegas for this 2-night stay. Nice room, very spacious. See 2 large chairs on the corner of the room. Panoramic view outside. See the lights of the strip. Some cars passing by. Other casinos. Large table in the center. 2 complimentary water bottles. Large water bottles. And some integrated technology with Amazon. I don't want to say the word and it will be chirping at me. We have a tablet next to the king bed on the nightstand area. Tablet has the television controls, room controls for temperature, drapes, lights, in-room dining options, and more. Very large king bed. And you see controls on the walls: drapes open, drapes stop, drapes close, shears open, shears stop, shears close, all on, all off. For the lights, nice that it has this electronic controls throughout the rooms. And another one here. You can put the privacy button on instead of a random door hanger. Call for housekeeping, and the light controls are here as well. You can see the layout of this floor, quite wide, and that is what leads to the panoramic view. Into the bathroom, a walk-in shower, the glass door, tub, some more art, and not 1 but 2 sinks, hair dryer, extra towels, bathroom scale, shower cap, body lotion, shoe polish, cotton swabs, and much more. Even plugs next to the sink. Charge your phone while you're in the shower, or maybe charge some other devices. Bathrobes, and a toilet in its own room. And extra plugs next to this table, which would be good for laptop doing work. Minibar on this side, all extra charges. Don't touch it, just stay away. Glassware, bucket for ice, and more temperature controls on the wall. Down below, I can hear some music playing. I believe this is the nightclub area. It was lighting up. There's pool as well. Recording here in early April, so everything might not be open just yet. But once it gets to the summer, the pool is definitely a nice amenity here at Wynn Las Vegas. Just a 2-night stay this time. Going to be using Vegas as a pit stop once again. Flying to Seattle, and then Seattle to Taiwan, and then China. Short stay in Taiwan, cruise in China. Vegas is a nice pit stop on the way for this, especially flying from Pennsylvania. It would be a lot of flying in one day to go from Pennsylvania to Seattle to Taiwan. So I'll take a break in Las Vegas. Final look outside. You can see the other tower here, the Encore Tower at Wynn Las Vegas. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off. Stay tuned for more content.